How to log into Bybit account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bybit account. For that, you need to ensure you have already created an account on Bybit. Now you can go to the Bybit website www.bybit.com, or you may also open your Bybit application on your mobile device. Once on the home page or the app interface, here you need to look for a sign up or login button. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Here in this box, now you will need to enter your password and the email address. If you have used your mobile number to sign into your account, then you may choose the mobile number option at the top. Once doing that, you will need to enter your mobile number and the password associated with your account. Here I have created my account using my email address, so I am selecting the email option. Here enter the email address associated to your account in the first box, and in the second box enter your password. After entering the password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side of the password box and check your password if it is entered correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your password and cannot log into your account, you will get the option Forget Password just below the password box at the right side, from where you can now retrieve your password by following the on-screen prompts. Also, alternatively, you can log in using your Google account, which is just below the login box. So now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and tap on Login Now button right here and then wait for a while. After doing that, here you will be able to see you have successfully logged in to your Bybit account. Now you are ready to trade or manage your assets. Also, if you have added two-factor authentication on your Bybit, you may need to additionally verify yourself in order to log into your account. So by following the steps, you should be able to log into your Bybit account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.